Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're looking at how to link pages in Figma. Now Figma helps design and development teams build great tools or products together. Now to be able to link pages is quite simple. First of all, I'm going to give you the steps and you follow it because I don't have an account with them, so I cannot actually do it. So I'm just going to give you the steps, but before the steps you should be able to do it. So once you've launched your Figma, whether on the web browser, which is what I did earlier, that was the web browser version, or your desktop app. And next, you have to choose the project you want to work on from your Figma dashboard. You must be registered to have a dashboard. You can register for free. And next, you have to create a new page or select an existing one. So once you create a new page, by clicking on the plus icon at the top of the page list to create a new page, or you can select an existing page from the page list. Next, you have to select the object to link. Choose the object, text, button or frame you want to link to another page, and then right click on the object to open the context menu. Then choose link to page from the context menu. Next, select the page you want to link to from the page list. Next step is to configure the link settings. This is optional, but in case you want to do it, just click on the three dots next to the link in the properties panel. Once you've clicked on the three dots next to the link in the properties panel, then you configure the link settings as desired, such as setting the link to open in a new tab or setting a specific link behavior for it. The next step is to test the link. Preview the link by clicking on the object in the design file. Verify that the link behaves as expected, such as navigating to the targeted page. It's important for you to note that you need to make sure you have the latest version of the Figma app installed. Links can only be created between pages within the same Figma project. And you can also use the link to page feature to create links between frames or components. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.